Hi guys, Joe here. Today we're going to make a cute little coin pouch. All the materials and cutting instructions will be found in the description. After cutting out all of your pieces and adhering the interfacing to the wrong sides, we will start making the pocket tab. Fold the long edges inwards as shown. Fold it in half and sew around the 3 edges, leaving one raw edge unsewn. We'll now move on to the pocket piece. Place the exterior and the lining pieces right sides together. Line up the left edge and sew. Using a 3/8 seam allowance. And you fold it wrong sides together and you sew on the lining piece using a 1/2 inch seam allowance so that you can have a kind of binding look. Now add the pocket exterior that you just created to the exterior of the pouch, placing the pocket piece towards the left side and basting stitch using a long stitch length, and you baste the pocket tab on the right side of the exterior pouch piece and baste as well. We'll move on to preparing the zip. If your zip is longer than 5 inches as mine is, you can skip this process. But if you have a 5-inch zipper, you will turn the piece of the zip at a 45 degrees angle towards the back of the zipper and stitch. Now place your zipper on the exterior pouch piece facing down with the zipper tab on the left side. Place a lining piece over it and you'll take this to your sewing machine and stitch across the zipper. Pull the 2 pieces wrong sides together away from the zipper. You can take your iron and press, making sure not to press the zipper teeth if you're using a nylon zipper. You will repeat this step for the other 2 pieces and take to your sewing machine and sew. Top stitch on both sides of your zipper to finish the zipper. Now we are going to assemble the bag. Place the 2 exterior pieces right sides together and clip. But first, make sure to pull your zipper to where it's halfway in, so you can put your hand through to turn your bag. Pin the exterior pieces right sides together, and we'll pin the lining pieces right sides together as well. Leave a 3-inch opening at the bottom of the lining piece, and this will be used for turning the bag right. sew around the coin pouch except for the opening, the 3-inch opening. Now you can use the opening to turn the bag right side out. You can push the zipper all the way to the end so that you can get to access the inside of the bag more easily. Fold the opening inwards and sew close to the edge using a 1/8 seam allowance. Now you can stick the lining back inside of the bag. For your final touch, you will add a snap or a button to the pocket tab to keep it closed. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. You can now make your own coin pouch, and maybe you can gift it to a friend. Like, share, subscribe, comment, and check out my other bag making videos in the top right of your screen. See you in my next video.